The Chief Minister said it was very likely to happen, and it's now happened. The government has issued a restriction notice, meaning that some of the evidence that will be heard here at the Garrison Library in the McGrail Inquiry will not enter the public domain. The decision to use these new powers is said to have been taken unanimously by all government ministers. The governor has reportedly been kept informed throughout. There's an offer to brief the leader of the opposition confidentially. What exactly is being restricted? Well, the government says providing information on this would defeat the purpose of issuing the notice. There isn't much detail in the government statement on what is affected by this restriction notice. We're told that it relates to a small and very limited number of references to the national security centralized intelligence system in documents before the inquiry. There's a little bit more detail on what the government says is unaffected by this restriction notice. It says the information restricted does not relate to the Chief Minister or his actions, his status as a partner on sabbatical of Hassan's, or indeed any other partner of that law firm, any factual dispute between Fabian Picardo and Ian McGrail, the former police commissioner himself, Mr. McGrail, or his actions, or anything that serves to protect the Chief Minister or assist him in relation to matters being looked at by the inquiry. Those are the things that the restriction notice does not relate to, according to the government. It says the chairman of the inquiry, Sir Peter Openshaw, will still be able to see and take into account all of the evidence, including what's now restricted to the public. Having said just weeks ago that this new law was about modernizing legislation, its use could put pressure on the people's relationship of trust with their government.